What's up, guys? This is again Showtime with MZ back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna actually teach you guys how to add the the widgets onto your home screen, and we're starting right now. Okay, so now the first thing you want to do is that you can either long press on any of the applications and then tap the plus icon in the top left corner, or another way to actually access this mode is to actually long press any place on your home screen. In this case, I'm gonna press where I don't have any applications, so just like this, and there goes the plus icon in the top left corner. Now we're gonna tap this top left corner plus icon, and we're gonna get the widgets. Of course, if we don't want to add the widgets and we have just simply entered this mode by just randomly, we didn't want it, but we entered this, we're gonna just simply tap the down button over there, and that's it. But now let's actually enter it, and let's see. So the first thing you can see is the search widgets panel. So you're gonna tap it to search a widget. So for example, weather. Okay. Or for example, phone. We don't have phone widget. Okay. So for example, pedometer. Okay. And if you are gonna tap one of them, you will get that one. Now, another thing is that this one is actually some kind of a widget gallery or something like that, where you can see all the different widgets that you can add to your home screen. And you can actually add, for example, this one, the clock one. We're going to simply tap the add widget button over there to add this widget. If we want to remove it, we're going to tap the minus button and then tap the remove button over there. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, now if we are going to actually tap the plus button again and go all the way down, we can actually not only see the recommendations, but also the applications themselves, which can provide us the widgets. Of course, this list can change throughout the time depending when you are watching this video, because Apple will probably add way more third-party widgets than you can see right now at this moment. So to add a widget, so for example, let's add the batteries widget. We're gonna just simply tap this button over there, and we now see some information about the widget. Of course, if we want to go to the widgets panel again, we're gonna just simply tap the X button in the right corner, so like this. But let's actually tap the batteries and see. So we get the short description and short name and then short description of this widget. So for example, the name of this widget is status, and the short description for it is view the status of your iPhone and connected Bluetooth accessories. Okay, so yeah, that's basically what this widget will show us. We have some color options as well while adding the widget, and by the way, can you see that this widget actually moves? At this moment, when you are adding the widget, they dance around a bit. Okay, and so these are the size options. So this is the small one, we get the middle one, we get the large one. Of course, there are not only the 3 sizes, but way more. But this is the size that for battery widget actually gives us. Okay. And to add one of them, you are gonna just simply tap the add widget button in the bottom like this, and there goes the widget to your home screen. And by the way, you just want to actually not only tap add widget, because when you tap an add widget, it just automatically goes to the beginning of your page on which you are right now. But if you want to actually place it on one specific place on your home screen, you are going to just simply long press the widget itself over here, and you'll see what happens. So you long press and move it aside, and now you can actually choose the place where you want to actually put it in, which is of course cool. Now also, if we're gonna go to add widget, we have some other options color options, some size options. Depending on the size, of course, there's like a amount of the information you can get from the widget. So yeah, like basic sizes are like this one, the small one, the medium one, and of course the large one. Okay, now also another cool little addition to this widgets thing is that actually, if you can see, like if we're gonna go to the batteries, the add widget icon is green, like actually corresponding to the batteries icon. If we're gonna go, for example, to the fitness one, it's green, corresponding to the exercise ring on the activity or fitness icon. If we're gonna go to the, I don't know, maybe screen time, it's blue one, again corresponding to the icon, the color of the icon. It is the widget app. So yeah, there are many types of widgets, so you can of course add many of them. So for example, weather widget, you have the minimum one, you have the big one, you have the middle one. So let's add the middle one over here. Okay, to actually customize your widgets, you're gonna long press the widget you need, and you're gonna get the option which says edit widget. So we're gonna tap it, and then for example with the weather widget you can edit the location for which the widget shows you the weather for. So you're gonna tap my location over there, and you can actually choose many of them, like Cupertino, New York. Also you can add some other ones, such as for example the Moscow or something like that, I don't know. So like you can add a specific place in the world, or let it be, for example, you want the UK maybe. So if you wanted the UK, you can of course get UK and one specific country, of course. So like maybe, I don't know, I don't really know, but like there are many options to choose from, including the locations that you have in your weather application itself. And yet, that's pretty much how you can customize all your widgets and how you can actually, for example, add the widgets and just fun stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a huge like. That would mean a lot. And of course, subscribe down below so that you don't miss just any future content like this. And I'll see you guys later. Also, you can write in the comments which widget is your favorite. I mean, third party or first party. I don't know, whichever you want. And so again, just revise what we have learned. So like long press anywhere, plus icon, choose the widget you want, then choose the size you want, tap the add widget button, or choose long press move. Okay, and that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for what I've already told you. Hope you enjoyed, and like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!